Hey everybody, it's Ivy and today is Valentine's Day and today we're going to get super sexy, okay? So let's start off with our makeup. I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 445 and I'm using that as my base and I'm just going to smooth that all over my face. And I love this foundation, especially for something like Valentine's Day, girl, because it's long wearing, it's sweat resistant, it's transfer resistant, and you're just going to stay flawless all night, okay? So now I'm going to go into my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Concealer in the shade 385. And we're going to use this to highlight all our bags and make us look nice and fresh and glowy. So just go ahead and blend that out with a sponge of your choice. I'm using the sponge I got from Fenty Beauty. And now we're going to set our face with the Fenty Beauty Honey Powder. And I'm just going to use that under my eyes. Make sure you go back and put a little extra powder under your eyes. This is going to serve as a shield to help with the fallout from the eyeshadow. And the eyeshadow I'm using is the Pat McGrath Mothership Palette. And I'm going to go into that light brown shade first. And we're just going to put that all over the lid. So now we're going to go into the dark brown color and I'm just going to use that right in my crease just to deepen up the crease a little bit. And then we're going to go into this shimmery pink shade and I'm going to use that in my inner tear duct, and I'm also going to pat it onto my eyelids using my finger. After I've put on that shade, I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to use the whitish goldy type of shade. And I'm also going to put that in the center of my eye right on top of the pink shade just to give it some dimension, kind of like a two-tone shimmer look. Now we're going to do a really simple wing liner, nothing too bold, nothing overly dramatic. We want our makeup to look nice and fresh, but still, you know, kind of glamorous. And now I'm going to put that shimmery gold shade under my eyebrow. Now I'm just lining my waterline and then I'm going to smoke it out with the same brown I used in my crease just to, you know, pull the look together and make it look more complete. And then we're going to go ahead and put on some mascara on our upper and lower lashes. Really important. Please do not skip this step. And now you want to go in with your lashes. Use something nice and fluttery and natural but still like sexy. You don't want nothing too over dramatic, like just like this. Okay, now we're going to use some Makeup Forever powder and I'm going to use that to brush away my setting powder and just blend everything together on my face. Now I'm using my Boy Brow by Glossier and I'm going to just, you know, finish up my eyebrows and make them look all perfect. Now I'm going to go into this Prime Beauty bronzer. I forgot the name of the shade, but it's very deep and brown and I can use it to contour and just bronze my face. This is the first time I've had a perfect bronzer other than that CoverGirl Queen Collection one. For highlight, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Ginger Binge Moscow Mule, and you know, that just pulls everything together. And I'm going into my Pat McGrath lip gloss in a nude color, and it just makes everything look so nice and glowy. So now we got to get into our hair. I'm using this amazing hair from Dsoar hair, and this is their Peruvian deep wave, and I have it in inches 26 and 28 and also a frontal. You guys, this hair is so bomb and it's so sexy for like a Valentine's Day look or like a date night. And now I'm just brushing back my baby hairs, getting my, you know, head prepared for my wig. And now I'm going to put on my wig and my elastic band for extra security, okay? And just get your wig in place. Just go ahead and adjust it. I made my wig custom for my head, so it fits perfectly. I don't have to glue my frontal down if I don't want to, but if I did, I could. But you know, I don't usually glue mine down. So I'm just going to be rocking it like this, and I'm just adjusting those baby hairs. Now, I did make these baby hairs, you know, when I was making the wig. So if you guys want to see a video on how to make baby hairs like this, let me know. But I am going to go ahead and gel a few down with my Got2b glue. And this serves as more security. Like, it kind of keeps your wig in place and also keeps your baby hairs more in place. And getting your baby hairs perfect, you guys, is seriously an art form. Like, don't rush with the baby hairs because they can make or break a wig. Please pay attention to those baby hairs. This hair, you guys, I'm so in love with it. This is how the curl pattern looks before you pick it out. It is just co-washed. There's no products whatsoever in this hair, and the hair is just very shiny and healthy looking. It's just really pretty, very pretty, very sexy. I didn't get any shedding or heavy tangles from it. Now mind you, it is curly hair, so you are gonna have some tangles, but it isn't tangly whatsoever. And the lace actually matches my skin tone. I didn't have to tone it or anything like that. I freaking love this hair. As you guys can see, I'm feeling myself, and I did decide to wear it like in my signature flip over look, because I just think that style is just, you know, it's just sexy. It looks right with everything. So I definitely wanted my hair like this. So now we're gonna get into my outfit, and I did get an outfit from Savage X Fenty, and it's like this little sheer bra with hearts over your nipples with the little panties to match. And I'm just gonna give you guys a little peekaboo of what I had on. Okay, I can't, you know, show you full boom bow this that, you know, I don't feel like that's appropriate for me to do. But this is all you get. Okay, just a little taste, just a little something here and there, just a little peek. Their items fit so good on a plus size body. Like, I love Savage X Fenty. So thanks so much, you guys, for watching this video. Please don't forget to thumb me up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys next time.